And right about now, I realized I forgot to use wood glue. All right, a little bit about the process that I work with. Most everything that I build, I start with a basic draft of what it is that I want to build. This gives me a rough idea of where I need to go to. It also allows me to alter things as needed. But everything starts with pen and paper. I do need to work on using Google SketchUp or some other program that allow me to do this digitally, especially for items like my workbench that I've had requests on plans for, or give somebody an idea of what it takes to actually build these and to create what it is that I create. Yes, my workspace is smaller than what I used to have. I went from having a 20 by 40 garage to a 17 by 20 garage. So, yeah, the amount of room I have to work with is cut in half. And I'm learning to adjust to the new situation. For this, I picked up some bargain basement pine at a local box store. And you'll see what I'm building here as we go. This is more of a prototype just to make sure it's going to work and be functional. And so I'm not exactly worried about how fancy it's going to be or anything else. And I'm just simply cutting dados into the wood that I can attach the legs to, keep this up off the ground at the about 10 inches is what I needed. And hopefully this will help out my older cat, Dexter. He is now 15 and starting to have issues with his arthritis. And I've noticed that on days where I'm having issues, he is also having issues. So hopefully this will help him out and make things a little more comfortable for him with his needs. Here I'm just getting the legs attached. I'm just using wood glue. I'll put in a couple of pin nails just to hold everything in place. And then I'm going to add some filler in between these just to keep everything nice and even. I'm adding a ramp to the front of this so that Dexter has something he can walk up instead of having to climb. This was cut at a 30-degree angle. The length I wasn't entirely sure of, but I will get that adjusted a little bit further into the video. With the ramp attached, I let everything dry for a couple of hours and then rattle canned it white. More just to cover up the uneven grain and the look of the pine. I know that I'm the only one that's going to see it right now, but I still want it to look decent. I'm attaching some outdoor carpet I picked up at Home Depot. It turned out to cost a lot less to do it this way than get a mat or something else that I could be able to glue to the top of it. So I'm just wrapping this in the carpet, and hopefully this will do what it's supposed to do. I greatly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and see some of the different things that I'm making. And hopefully this gives you some ideas of what you can do and some of the different things that you can create. I would really appreciate it if you would like and share my videos, help my channel grow a little bit, and give me the opportunity to build additional items and give you ideas of what you can do. But I greatly appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video, and have yourself a wonderful day.